Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alaxto once again, and we have the stats. Because it's 2:30, you gotta start it. And this is the start and welding machine, as you can see in the picture. It's 2:30. There's no time to check time. We have this going on right now, the installation of our Maxmech welding machine, our wg350. Is absolutely working with the good nice feedback from our customer. Installation in progress. Don't fall victim. Send us a DM right now. Send us a DM right now. You can see the number on the display screen, or you check Alaxto on all social media platforms. We have this available right now. Pick up, delivery. We deliver nation worldwide, all states. I repeat, all states we deliver global. And we appreciate our customer for patronage. You can try us out right now. Send us a DM. Alaxto on our social medias. We appreciate it.